After conducting an interview, it was important for us to plan our final draft, and for this we decided to do it by hand and make it with paper. Firstly, we decided to go with a theme of just pure black and white. As the person we asked said, it would make it more effective and make it stand out more. We wanted to go for a basic theme, therefore we thought just using 2 colours like we had on our CD cover would be important, as well as it links the 2 together because it's got the same colour scheme, therefore making it recognisable to our audience. We did however want to keep with the mixing of letters to make it clean that it was a link to the Sex Pistols. So it will simply just be black, the font, but we will use different font types. Instead, we'll get these font types from DaFont, for example, and use a variety of different fonts that are available on there. We will use the same picture that we used in our first draft, as we think that's quite a good photo to be using, as it's a key signature Miley Cyrus pose, and we want to make sure that the people understand that we are parodying other artists. Hopefully they will see something and think, what's Miley Cyrus doing on there, and therefore make them think maybe I should buy the video, look at the video either and buy the CD, and get them interested. But as well as that, it's got a nice clear link to our video so the audience can relate to each, which makes it more, just makes it more compatible and a lot more polished as a product. But we thought that the Next Up Japan and saying out now should be the same font. It should be the same font that we've used maybe on our CD cover to make it more recognisable for people, which I think would be good, so they can see, okay, it's the same on there and it's the same on this. So yeah, but we didn't want to say too much about when it's out, we just want to say out now, because a lot of ones that we read, we looked at and researched, simply said out now. So I think compared to our other product, like in our first draft, this one's a lot more efficient, so we can go for a lot more bolder colours, but make it a lot more, it'll make everything stand out more, because it's just the 2 simple tone colours, including this photo. I think we're going to put that in black and white as well. I think we may have, I'm not sure if we want a white background with black writing or black with white writing. Either way, I think it makes the title stand out really well and makes it just seem a nice, simple, well polished magazine advert.